Hey guys, and welcome back to the Delpris family. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get 10 plus subscribers every single day for free. A lot of YouTubers are doing this and I'm going to share the secret with you guys. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you can see, I'm on this wicked cool site. I'm going to leave the link down below so you guys could click on that and follow the steps. So all you gotta do is come over here on this site. It says grow your YouTube channel faster than ever, get free YouTube subscribers, views and likes. Alright, but the views and the likes, they're gonna come with the 10 plus subscribers, right? So I'm just gonna show you all about the subscribers. That's the main focus. So as usual, I advise you guys to read everything right here. As you can see there, you got a lot of stuff you can read. You could also buy them, but I'd advise you not to, because we're only doing this the free way, especially if you're a small YouTube channel and you want to get noticed and recognized and you want to get that 1,000 subscribers really fast. Let's just do this the easy way. All right, the free way. So all you gotta do is go on sign in, and after you sign in, all you gotta do is just add your channel ID. Alright, let me sign out. Let me sign back in and show you guys. So all you gotta do is just add an email address. You can make this up because this is a made up email address. And then you just put in your channel ID, right? So you're just gonna go to your YouTube channel and copy and paste the ID right here. And then for you, you're gonna click register. For me, I'm gonna click sign in. So when you sign in, it's gonna bring you right here. As you can see, this is the channel. This is our channel, right? So right here is if you want to purchase, if you want 1,000 views on this video is $5, 100 likes is $4, viral is 12, so over 1,000 views. And then all you guys got to do is just scroll all the way down, and this is where the magic happens. So all you got to do is just go to free all-in-one. This is where you're going to get your 10 subscribers, your 10 likes, and your 10 views. And honestly, the views and the likes, they're going to be randomly on your videos. But your main focus is all about the 10 subscribers. Oh, and this is for life. This is not like your regular sub for sub where you sub to somebody else, they sub to you, and then they unsubscribe. This, you cannot unsubscribe, because if you do, you're going to get banned. So I'm going to show you a little secret way to avoid that ban rule. So and then over here, as you can see, you can get 15, you can get 20. But the catch is this. As you can see, it says you watch, right? So you got to watch 20 videos, or at least to say 20 channel videos. So you got to like 20 of those videos and you got to subscribe to 20 of those channels. All right, so this is going to take like 2 minutes of your time. So you can get 10 subscribers in just 2 minutes per day. All right, so all you got to do, and then you're going to get 10 subscribers. So it's basically half and half. As you can see over here, 30, 40. So you can just click on these, subscribe me now, as it's set up here, right? So all you gotta do is just click on subscribe me now. All right, so let me show you guys a little trick that you're gonna do to avoid getting banned. So what I did, I just created another channel. As you can see here, this is not the main channel, this is another channel. And then all you gotta do is just use that channel. Just use that channel for everything, for subscribing and everything. That way, you don't have to see the feed coming up on your own page on your main channel, especially if you're not interested in their topics, but you just want to get the subs. Plus, these are real subscribers, people. I said before, it's permanent. As you can see here, it's permanent. All right. And if you unsubscribe, you're gonna get blocked from this site, and you don't want to do that. So this is what it's gonna look like after you click on subscribe me now. This is what you're gonna see. As you can see, it says please click watch, like, and subscribe button to watch videos. And I'm at 19 out of 20, so I'm almost there. All right. So the reason why I stopped is to show you guys how it works. So all you gotta do is come on here and just click watch, like, and subscribe. Click that, and what's gonna happen is it's gonna give you a clip, it's gonna give you a video. Sorry, these guys are monetized. I think this is gonna be an ad first. Yep, as expected. But this doesn't take any time. You don't even gotta watch it. You just gotta like, subscribe. As you can see, this button says verify. Click verify. Plus you cannot, as a matter of fact, do not X off that tab. It's gonna automatically come off. Don't X off it. If you X off it before it comes off, before you hit verify, then you won't get that. Alright, so you're just gonna keep on getting 10 subscribers. So it's all up to you. You can make 100 subscribers in a day, but this is just if you don't have much time and you just want 10 subscribers. That's all you have to do, and this starts a new one for me. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video and found any value, leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys in the other one.